Naman, Miss Tin Bailon of PEP. Miss Tin, okay.
Hello, Dusty. So, kung bibigyan kayo ng project ni Bianca, pero kasama si Bill, papayag ka ba?
Yes naman yan. Siyempre, oo. Straight to the point. Oo naman. Kasi, gaya sinabi ko kanina, lahat ng opportunities sinagrab natin. As long as approved by the management.
Sparkle. As long as approved ni Miss Tracy. And of course, kami kasi ni Will, nag-work na kami together. So, sa Mano po. So, last 2 years ago, I think. And interesting din na mag-work kami ulit. And now, yung question mo is with Bianca naman. Alam ko marami nag-aabang yan. Yeah, so, i-take natin yung opportunity na yan. At let's see kung ano yung mangyayari. But for now, sabihin ko yes.
Real reaction to that. Reaction lang kasi.
Because naman with Dustin na rin, Bianca. And parang sa lang first ko. And masasabi ko talaga na very, very professional sila. So I'm looking forward talaga na makatrabaho sila ulit. Ngayon na nakalabas kami dito sa loob ng bahay ni Kuya. And excited ako makita yung pag-grow nila, not just as a person, of course, kundi sa craft nila. And gusto ko rin, of course, ma-share namin together yung ganung, ano ba tawag na? Basta yung craft na yun, gusto namin may share lahat ng mga.
Thank you.